Hi guys, how you doing this evening? I know I've been away for a while, but I'm back. I'm coming on to show you my a couple of boxes that I received. The first one is going to be the curl kit. Get those every month, and this is what I'm talking about. And in the curl kit, you get this 30% off with of some new kind of products called candy curls. You know, every day we're getting new products. So here's a new product now, candy curls. And of course, the little Curl Life booklet comes in there. Talks about different hair care products, insider note, and the kit content. Let's just get to the kit. So the first thing that's in here, Juice Organics, Healthy Beauty. Repairs, strengthens, and nourishes with coconut and soy protein for damaged or color-treated hair. Formulated without parabens, silicones, phthalates, sulfates, propylene glycol, artificial colors, or synthetic fragrances. Here's what it looks like. It's a repairing shampoo. Also in the kit, Not Your Mother's Kinky Moves Curl Defining Detangler. Infused with grapeseed, jasmine, and olive oil. Ooh, that sounds good. Look at that. It looks good, huh? I kind of like that one. Sounds like some good light oils. Also in the kit, Omnipotent Duosity. Keratin proteins and amino acids, active balancing concentrate. Double whipped repairing treatment. Wow. My hair is going to get some good treatment now, boy. Yeah, I'm going to get this hair on the ball. Also in the kit, Adore Botanicals, Flourishing Scalp Nectar, Healing Elixir. Look at that. A healing elixir. Boy, I'm going to be on the ball with this kit. Your Curly Quinoa Conditioner. Here's a pillow pack. I guess this is a deep conditioner. Free of alcohol, parabens, silicone, sulfates, and dyes. Made with quinoa protein enriched with Abyssinian oil, aloe, and lavender. Ooh, that's going to smell good. You see that one? Okay, that's what's in this curl kit this month. And that's pretty good. I don't need to buy any products as long as I keep getting this because they're giving me things that my hair needs. What do you think? I think we're doing good with this curl kit every month. I'm going to definitely keep it coming for as long as I can. I don't know if I'm going to keep it forever, but we'll see. That's the curl kit. Also got a new GlossyBox. You know I love the GlossyBox. GlossyBox is came in a black box this time. And the actual box is simply a pale pink. GlossyBox. And let's see what we have here. I didn't open it because I want to be surprised by something. So here's the inside. I'm opening the ribbon now. Okay. Glossy Picks. Says coming soon. Good news. The summer Glossy Box will be launching a limited edition box showcasing some incredible products from the CEW Beauty Insider Awards. It says to tell your friends and greetings, and then it talks about I have to assume what's in the box right now. So let's just see. Yep, that's what's in the box. First thing I take out is a deep pore cleansing facial brush and massager. You know, I have a Clarisonic, but you know, I'll dibble with this. I'm trying to keep my skincare going properly. I'm gonna do a skincare regimen video for my channel soon to show you what I use on my face. So here's this brush. Let me just open it. Why not? I don't even know what this does. I mean, what this does. What is this? For it to rest in? I can't even tell. But anyway, here's the brush. I'll have to read about this and see why I have that. There's the brush. Oh, yeah. Look at those things inside. Those are hard. Okay, there's the brush. I'll have to figure out what that other little piece is for. Spa to you. The next thing I have is exfoliating mud mask, detoxifying charcoal. Oh God, yes. Been wanting to try some detoxifying charcoal. You know, when I washed my hair on yesterday, I used the Shea Moisture with the African mint water and that charcoal. God, I love that stuff. That was such a great wash and conditioner. I also used the Pure for thinning hair. So I got a good wash and conditioner yesterday, and then I deep conditioned with the Shea Moisture Jamaican black castor oil mask. So I really got a deep, really good conditioner yesterday. And my hair shows it. It really is doing well today. So here's another thing that's in the box. It's Leighton Denny. It's a nail polish. And I believe it's called Pillow Talk. Isn't that pretty? I'm going to use that real soon. And there's another little thing in here. Bee Tree Nail Repair Care. Oh, nice. This is good. Nail Repair Care. That's going to help strengthen my little nails. You see that? It's a little bottle, but that's enough to help. And also we've got lip liner, Rhodile Nude. Okay, I'm not going to open it right now, but it's a nude color. Well, let me see. Let me open it right now to see why it's a nude color. Bear with me, girls. Gotta always tear it where the perforations are. Jeez Louise. That was so serious. Look at that nude. Oh. Oh my God, that's good. I don't even know if you can see. Yeah, you could see it. You see that? Let me see what that's gonna look like on my lips. Kind of hard to see. I tried one when I don't have on purple lips. Because it's kind of hard to see. But that's what it is. Lip liner by Rodile in nude. Nude. Rodile XXL lip liner. And that's all the goodies that are in that box. But now, like I was telling you guys, I had the best wash this time with my Pure shampoo and conditioner for thinning hair, and the African mint water and the charcoal shampoo and conditioner. And then I deep conditioned with the Shea Moisture African black castor oil mask. And my hair feels so good, guys. It feels so good. I'm going to do that every week. I'm going to do that same process every week to keep making my hair stronger. I'm going to use a regular shampoo and then that thinning hair shampoo. Look how bouncy it is. It's just beautiful right now to me. And it's nice and white, soft, bouncy. Really, really, really cute. I love it right now. And if it would just grow, that would help me greatly. That's all I'm waiting for it to do is grow. Maybe I can trim my ends. Maybe that's what my problem is. Anyway, guys, that's it. Those are the products that I got in the boxes. And I hope you enjoyed looking at those as much as I enjoyed sharing them with you. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Share it with your friends. And please subscribe to my channel. I really would appreciate it. All right, until next time, take care, everybody. Bye-bye.